Hello and thank you for watching. In this episode, we'll see where I am right now. I've been making some progress in digging up the end of the cellar. I am waiting right now for the vacuum truck to come again because I've piled up some dirt at the entrance and it's becoming more and more crowded right there. So first, a quick montage of my work and then a commentary.
Just sit here every night, there's no reason to deny. Nobody will rescue us now. Everyone who's gone on here have lost their hope and felt the fear, trying to get a hold of the moment. Save the strength and hope for more, let's hope we'll score a second goal. Baby, we will leave here tomorrow. No more coffee, no more tea, found some biscuits, try to eat. But since he arrived, we just cried. Don't you let him get to you. Don't you let him get to you. We refuse to live in sorrow, waiting for tomorrow. Many of us and many of them are standing straight, refusing to bend, defying the terrible weather. Note that once again in time, a man named King of Babylon is on the rise. Let's hope we'll get through. One step wrong and he will fall. We don't think he will dance at all. No more invites to the ball. When he's back down underground, we will all be singing songs. And finally, no more lies. We won't let it get to us. We won't let it get to us. We refuse to live in sorrow, waiting for tomorrow. You never told me, but I surely know you can. We won't let it get to us. We won't let it get to us. We refuse to live in sorrow, waiting for tomorrow. We won't let it get to us. We won't let it get to us. We refuse to live in sorrow, waiting for tomorrow.
Okay, so let's start at the entrance. So we have the piles of dirt. So they're waiting right now for the vacuum truck. This time I kept big rocks and I think they will be able to fit through the hose. I hope anyway, but I think they will. So it's been easier for me. I didn't spend as much time smashing the bricks into smaller pieces. And but this time I have a bit more dirt than the last. I've put dirt all the way up here and here. But yeah, now I am waiting for the truck because it's becoming less and less effective to dig because I have to put the dirt on top of the pile and it's a bit of a waste of time. So before here we had a lot of stones, so I put all the stones in the secondary cellar and I've been digging up in here. So let's take a look. So we'll see first the secondary cellar, which is filled up with stones. So those are all the stones that were in the main cellar and which came from either the dug up or the big pillar of stone which I brought down a few months ago. So here we are, where I've dug the most. So we can see that there is a bedrock continuing. We have this ledge here, so I was hoping that the ledge was coming around and provide a secondary level, and it's not the case. So we have the big rocks in here, so under here we have the sewer, and I don't really know what the rocks are supposed to be, but what's a surprise is that behind the rocks we have this hole for now, and in here we have a lot of dirt, and as you can see, it's quite deep. So I really don't know what this is supposed to be, but the level beyond those rocks here, way below here. So it's it's another mystery, another surprise. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what it is. Sewers, a well, another secondary under cellar. I don't know, but we'll see when I am able to remove everything in here, and we'll see what I find. So I still have a lot to go. At least I want to arrive in here. So the sewer here, I want to remove everything here, maybe get a bit below, and I don't know if I want to excavate everything up until the entrance. So we'll see what I found behind this and if anything makes sense or not. I hoped that the ground was sloped and getting a bit higher. The more I get, the more I dug. But with this, I'm a bit lost right now. So that will be I hope the topic of the next video, if I can see what it does. Thank you for watching. This is it for this episode. I think the next video will be again in a couple of weeks for the same reason as last time. If anything interesting comes up, I will keep you posted. Take care, and I'll see you next time.